To clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge, simply launch the browser and then click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the Settings page, click on Privacy, Search and Services on the left-hand side panel, and once you do that, go to Clear Browsing Data and then click on Choose What to Clear. When you click on that, this Clear Browsing Data pop-up window will appear, and here you can choose cookies and other site data. Also choose cached images and files, that's the cache we were talking about. And you can leave everything else unchecked, including browsing history, if you really don't want to delete browsing history. But if you want to delete it as well, then you can leave it checked. Same goes for download history. But the most important thing for this video is cookies and cached images and files. Now once you select those, again go here and choose the time that you want to select. It could be for the last 24 hours. If you want to clear all cookies and cache, then make sure all time is selected and then go ahead and click on Clear Now, and that's it. That's basically how to clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.